morning, students. My name is Mrs. S. Ojha. I am teaching you computer. Before starting, I want to suggest you each and every video watch very carefully. Write in your notebook and read properly. In your book, there is 9 chapter. I am taking first chapter in this video. The title of first chapter is Microsoft PowerPoint Animation and Transition. So let's start about Microsoft PowerPoint, means MS PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint is an application software of Microsoft Office. Just see, click on start button, then Microsoft PowerPoint, or you can see all programs. There is a folder Microsoft Office. Click on this, then choose Microsoft PowerPoint. This is the Microsoft PowerPoint window will appear, and this is called application window as well as documents also here. This is known as slide, this one, and okay, then I have prepared some topic like this. This is animation. Student, do you know what is animation? Animation is a simulation of movement which combines multiple pictures, series, text, audio, and so on. Okay. Animation is method in which figure are manipulated to appear as moving images. Means combination of moving images is known as animation. We can give animation on text, pictures, shapes, tables, smart art, graphics, and other objects also. By the animation, our picture looks more attractive, professional, and effective on the audience. So PowerPoint is a great medium to create presentation. Okay. Next, student, my topic is types of animation effect. There's four types of animation effect. First is entrance, second one is emphasis, third is exit, and fourth is motion path. Why we use entrance? Entrance is used to enter the slide object on the slide. Okay. Then emphasis is used to stay object on the slide. Exit is used to leave object from the slide. And motion path, you can give any motion with required shape by the motion path to the object. There is some effects of each and every one, like entrance, appear, fade, split, wipe, and entrance, emphasis, color, pulse, spin, grow and shrink, so on. Exit, diamond, fly out, split, wipe, so on. And in motion shape, you can add different types of motion like curve, arch, circle. Okay. Let's come back to another topic. How to apply animation on an object. There is 4 steps. First of all, select the object or text that you want to animate. Second step, select the animation and choose an animation. Then third step, select the effect option and choose an effect. Then manage the effect. Okay. So you can see by the slide show view. See. Okay. I'm going to start from the begin. See. Or you can press from beginning. See. Types of animation. These are animation effect. See. Okay. Then how to give animation. Just see. Go in home tab, new slide, choose the desired slide layout. You can choose blank slide also. I'm taking the blank slide, this one, blank slide. Then insert any object or picture, whatever you want. Circle, star shape, drag and drop. So give animation, go on the animation tab. Animation, no animation is appear here. So you can choose any animation, fade, wipe, fly in or custom shape. Fly in. Okay. Next. Next, we can give also custom animation effect. Custom animation effect. Then here, play. I have given only one effect on that star. So if we want to give the custom animation, means we can create own animation effect, multiple animation effect, like custom animation, add effect. There is a blind or checkbox, circle, then emphasis, grow and shrink, exit, box. Okay, let's see the preview by play button. Then a slide. Okay, there's 4 effects, sorry, 4 effects, 1 2 3 4. Then show the slideshow. See. Okay. You can give the any design theme, require design theme, like go on the design tab, this one, or this one. If you want to give different design theme on this is a slide, then select the slide. Like I'm selecting second slide, then right click on particular and apply to selected slide. Okay, then this one I'm leaving, apply to selected slide. Okay, select the slide, give the apply to selected slide. Okay, children, you can create new slide also by title only. Type here animation, and can change the alignment, like center alignment I have given. You select the content and change the font color if you want any color. You want to give any color, and change the font size also by using like 54, 60. Okay, and same color if you want to do in back of the text. Okay, so this is a similar. So I'm going to choose contrast color, like this one, this contrast. Okay, so and we can give animation. Select the slide, add entrance. If you want to choose more effect, then diamond, circle, checkerboard, blind, dissolve, see, then okay, entrance, then emphasis, grow and shrink, exit, fly out, just okay. So let's see, let's play, preview. Show the slide. All the effects I have given mouse click. Okay, you can give the effect two types, on mouse click or by the timing. So how to reorder the animation effect? Just take any animation. See, there is 4 animation effect I have given. So we can change the ordering of animation effect, like select anyone and reorder button, top. 4th one is in first, and second will in the last. Play, see. Slideshow. We can give also motion path to an object. By this motion path, I have selected the motion path circle, and by this motion path we can circulate the star like this. See, and last this one, this is circulating. Slideshow. You can also choose new slide, blank slide, format background color if you want to give solid color. Then there is a different number of color. See, or you can choose another. Okay, you can give the transparency 0 or whatever percent you want. Apply to all, or Okay, so we can insert picture here also. Another example है to organize clip, office collection. This is office collection. What do you want to folder? Concept, drawing, buildings, business, auto shapes, animals, buildings, business. See, there is so many folders. Whatever we want to take, I'm going to choose such type of folder. This is the file. Nice, right click, paste it. Okay, this is the file. We can give animation effect on that picture also. Effect, entrance, circle. Okay, second one, emphasis, spin. Third one, exit. Whatever you want from the exit effect, just tell me. Random effect or strips. Strips is okay, or random effect. Any effect, whatever you like most, you can give. It's a very good thing and very entertaining also, isn't it, student? So give, okay, 3 effect I have given. So just see the effect. Okay, then plate, and after that slideshow. You have to every time you have to click for each and every effect. Okay, so I'm going to close this video, this PowerPoint. Then you can press Alt plus F4 key to close the PowerPoint. Okay, or exit from the PowerPoint. Alt F4 is a shortcut key to exit from the PowerPoint or any software. Okay, or you can click exit PowerPoint, or there is a close button also. So anywhere you can close. Here, this want to, do you want to save the changes? Animation 1. If you say yes, then all the changes had saved in animation 1.ppt. Okay. So student, you have seen PowerPoint animation video, and I hope you will do practice. You will revise all the steps by your book, by the video, okay, and by my words also. So watch carefully, do practice again, read properly, and best of luck for your studies. Okay, goodbye.